Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Salesforce and Outlook calendar CRM sync, full guide step by step clearly. To start the authentication process for syncing Salesforce and Outlook calendar, first, ensure you have admin access to both your Salesforce and Outlook accounts. Open your web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your Salesforce credentials to log in. Once logged in, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select Setup from the drop-down menu. In the Setup menu, type Outlook Integration in Sync in the Quick Find box. Click on Outlook Integration in Sync in the results. Locate the section labeled Outlook Configuration. Click on that Add button to create a new Outlook configuration. Fill in the required fields, including the name of your Outlook configuration. Choose the appropriate settings for your organization based on your needs. Ensure that the Enable box is checked for the integration. Save your changes by clicking the Save button. Next, open your Outlook application. Access the Outlook settings by clicking on File in the top menu. Select Options from the sidebar. In the Options menu, click on Add-ins. At the bottom of the Add-ins page, click on Go Next to manage COM add-ins. In the add-in window, check for Salesforce Lightning for Outlook. If it's not listed, you may need to install it from the Microsoft Store. Once confirmed, ensure that the add-in is enabled and click OK. Return to the Outlook main interface and look for the Salesforce add-in. Click on the Salesforce icon to initiate the authentication process. A Salesforce login window will appear. Enter your Salesforce credentials again. Follow any prompts to allow permissions for the integration. Once your Salesforce account is authenticated, you'll be redirected back to Outlook. To verify that the sync is working, create an appointment in Outlook. Check the Salesforce calendar to confirm the appointment appears. Similarly, create an event in Salesforce to see if it syncs back to Outlook. Ensure that both systems reflect the same events for successful synchronization. If you encounter any errors, double-check your permissions and settings in both applications. With these steps completed, your Salesforce and Outlook calendar sync should now be fully functional. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.